ino kuba n'omugaso nanywe n'abantu bandi okuba kikatandikira abasenkuritwe mbakirinda hawa mpoloma ziri mu muno kuzilinda kurungi aleke zitubereza mugaso halitwe n'abana bakwija mu maiso.
Mpoloma zina mugaso habe buhangwa okuba hati mpoloma osangamu enyamaiswa zona zinaho zikakusangwa ebintu byona by'omunsi muno niho bikira kulindirwa kandi mpoloma zikira wingo sanga ziri mu maizi emiti ebindi babibira ebindi ziba ensozi ebindi biba bisuwa ate nosanga bina halimu bintu binge bikaramu biri by'amaani.
Nyowe aloni kiza nkora mu nkamula amansi maze myaka yange 85 ensi ekaba eri nungi usamusana gwajwaga nka gwa biro bino ekaba ensi nungi kandi muno ebisoro biri mu mparaki n'ebisoro bindi biri mu muno ente zikaba ntoito kyonka mparaki n'embuzi nibyo bikaba biri bingi muno wiro.
Mpoloma kugera mutana bichweka bindi haleke zirindwe kurungi kandi ziba na mugaso wetwe zitulinda mu bintu bingi mburwaire na munjura na munkozesa nungi nikyo tuzilindira zibena bichweka ukwakana hona bichweka bindi.
Then nka balamansi kandi bo batuhereza emigisa kandi embibo ezo zinakakwate muno na mpoloma ezo titwenda zivule kandi nizo tukurwanisa kugara wa kuba ati ebintu kubyahindukire haijaho bya madini haijaho ki abantu batandika balimo kumanya mugaso gw'embibo ezo.
Mpoloma ezo bantu bataka rundo mu butaka bwaitu bazigoberanga mu rundi nyingi bazigoberaga mu kulima na munjura rundi bamazire kweza balesere ensigo zyawo halise nyobe azimazire kuziramira byokulya byeraga muno.
These customs, the traditions and customs and the cultural practices, it was kind of it was a life for these communities here in Obulisa. But later on, with coming of colonialism and with coming of new education and new religion, it was demonized. So that brought them to fear, and then they lost confidence, and they totally, some of them broke away. They became, they joined another religions, the Western religions, and then they left everything. So now they are trying to come back. And us as facilitators, we are building the confidence, and we are telling them, look here, you have the right. This is your right. These are your customs that you need to bring back, because it is the way of life.
There are still today people who have a deep knowledge, elders who have a lived knowledge of how things used to be before the impact of colonization and all that followed. And so that's really been what the work is about, finding the deep knowledge holders, finding people who are interested in their own tradition and identity, and having regular dialogues to bring back the memory, to bring back the practices, to bring back the traditional seeds, the huge diversity they used to have, which has become very eroded, to bring back the knowledge of sacred sites, the rituals around the sacred sites, and the governance system. And what we find is this builds a community cohesion, the identity, and the capacity to deal with the huge undermining forces that the communities are constantly experiencing.
whole process is very powerful because it goes back to their minds and their relationship with the land, the relationship with the soil, the relationship with their ancestry. The process is different from the conventional processes of what they call capacity building. In fact, we are not building their capacity, we are learning from the communities. They already have the knowledge, we are learning from that knowledge, but that knowledge has been suppressed for so long.
Nyowe mpoloma nkuratu zino zitwikaramu zinyambire bintu bingi mukumanya nga naitwe bakasudiyanti kandi nakutugumya tutatina bintu bino bikaraho mahanga gona tutali tuyenga tukoraki tubikora nikyo ngoberere mu nkuratu zino
zihindwireho kubanza banape bazire bantu bagamba ati banu bakahunga bantu manya bakiba musambwa nibabaza bintu bingi omusana gwayakaga muno ati kasoka bana batandika kwija muno tutunga njura buluwire.
That was a revival and revitalization of the ecosystems. Rain started coming, and some rivers and wetlands started coming because there was the rivers were coming. The women started bringing new the lost seeds. They started sharing, they started growing them, and they started having food in their homesteads.
Hati omulimo gunyali ninkora okuruga twikaire ntukora milimo nyonka zarwa na bakaiku nkakura na bamama bange bakabali bantu bakuru ise nyo ali mukuru hati ebintu ebikusinga bwingi nkabambe manyire kyonka ntaina mulingo ogwo kusa kumanya nebindi ebintu amanyire nalenga umuno kuseruliza ebinkora hati nuho kufuna ekitongole kine kyayizireho ekino ekyanape hate ekyalesereho okutandika enkurato zino bakabanza abantu ara Ethiopia kagena nasomayo bingi hati bunagarukire nuko kuleta nabalamasi hamu embibo omulingo gwokuzahura mulingo gwokoraki noho natandikira.
The dialogues have opened our eyes. It's like removing the cover which had covered our eyes. We didn't know what to plant, where to go. Even the forests, we could leave them to be cut down. But at this hour, when the dialogues started, we can emphasize even the government to come in and so that we plant the trees, we work together. So I can see the dialogues as an important issue which has helped the community so much.
Okuba mpulume ene rumutaka bwaitu bwakika tulu akugamba ngo mpulumeira hano lini itaka libali ya muntu onde lini litaka lya buzaranwa nyo kutuleka bamaguta batayiri litaka lyankaruga ho nkuhura ni nsasa munoki hamutima okuba nkazalirwa hano no ise nyobe aina mpuluma zukutulinda ndaruga hano ndekere mpuluma nkagenda kuli kikigenda kundinda nkampuluma zino utubaza bigambo nzituhura ati turagenda handi kikigenda kutuhura.
Abala mansa banda bala abataka abakiatina kandi nabo munsi zindi bona ngo hati bamanye ngo tuli harugendo rwenyini kandi busayo kutina kandi uturabaga nitukora nanka uturabaga nitugenda mu mpuluma zaito kukurama niona kugambire ngo babe bagumu kandi bayina kutwara bayina kugenda maiso nabo bekambe ko baba amani atubyo kutina tibikyaro nyo butumwa nko basindikira ngo babe bagumu kandi beyongere kora mirimo yawo ya amani.
The elders living today are the last generation of people who've actually lived in the traditions that were coherent. The people who are 80 years old right now are that generation. And so these are living libraries for us, not only for the traditions themselves, but for us to have the memory of how humans are actually able to live in right relationship with the rest of nature and with each other. And so it's really urgent because they are going. And when they've gone, that memory and that knowledge is gone. This is a living process of learning with the elders as we walk the territory, as we see the seeds, as we understand how things are done. We need that lived knowledge.
Abalegezi bona abasigaireyo bakagamba tubirimu mwije tukwatanize mureke kuikara nyuma bihati banu bihungu baniki banu bakaija kutuhabura ebintu byaitu byabajumu banankire bazire nibasisa bibejani basisa sisanga ate bindi matwara bindiki mwije bani bakaija kutuhaura batezire nkabali bajaga nibatwara bintu.